It all depends on where we're at. It's all 20, right?
All right, number one. Mia, you want to go first? 325 plus 134.
459.
450. Isaiah, 17 times 72.
Oh, 1,224.
24. 1,224. George, number three, 664 divided by 7.
948.
948.
No. No.
No.
9.48.
Put in the calculator. Let's see what we get.
94. No, 94 and 810.
Getting your calculator, your input. 664
Divided by.
divided by 7.
Oh, wait, no.
What do we get here?
94 and 800. No,
Not 800s, 94 and 8/10.
What kind of phone do you have this one?
It's a sense. 94 and 8/10. All right, we're gonna round. 35,469 to the nearest thousand. Melody. What is it? 40,000. So, what numbers in the thousands? 5. So we're gonna go by this one. Is it 5 or more? No. So we're gonna keep it 35,000. Good. Any questions? Yeah, Richard. Good. You're nuts. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's all
What did you get for writing a 65%?
65 over 100.
65 over 100. Love. Oh, that was your birthday day. Very long today. I love it. All right. Yeah. You ready for this one?
Yeah.
What are we going to do first?
Probably I divided 56 divided by 80.
56 divided by 8 first.
Yeah.
What did you get?
7.
7. Then what did you do?
And I put the plus sign in front. And I divided 1 divided.
You got 9. Okay.
And that's 16.
And that is 16. Good. All right. Isaiah, what number plus 4 equals 38?
I'm trying to subtract 41 4, which equals 36.
38 minus 4, and it gave you 36?
No, 30. And we went through to 34.
And it's perfect. That's volume. George, what's the formula for volume? You know that one?
180.
So the formula is length times width times height. So how many things are we're multiplying 3 things, which is why we get this little 3 there. So can a room be 90 centimeters or 90 meters? George, can a room be 90 centimeters or 90 meters?
90 meters.
90 meters is the correct answer cubed. You guys understand that one? How meters are larger than the meters? And they got the little 3 because they're multiplying 3 things. Yeah. Thank you. And that's where they got the little cube from, because they're multiplying 3 things.
Yep.
All right. Nellie. Is the angle greater than or less than 90?
Greater than.
There's our 90. Greater than is correct. This one it's a little bit upside down. It's got a little bit of, it is upside down from what they usually show us. So you just have to read. Right, number 10 is a lot of work. We have to add all these books up. Kaylee, how many books did Jim read? 16. Mia, how many did Bev read?
4.
4. George, how many did Allie read?
We looked at Ellen Church. 10.
10. Thank you.
Thank you. 200 plus.
Nellie, Jill,
8.
8. Kaylee,
Oh my-
Pam,
This is. Well.
14 is correct. Ken, Mia,
6.
6. Isaiah, Amy,
14.
12. All right, guys, get your calculators out and add those all up.
60.
You got 60? You got 70? Try it again. You got 70?
Yeah.
You got 2 70s, another 70.
And 60. 60.
Try again.
So add them all up. Try again.
Try it again, George.
The numbers are there. No, I had done a different one. I had 16 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8, 6, 4 plus.
Oh, you're missing the 10. You missed the 10. So you missed Kelly. That's why you got 60, but it should be 70. All right, so there's 70 books total. And how many did Jill read?
Here we're 4. So 70 now.
Wait, Jill read
Oh, 8, sorry.
8. So let's put that in the calculator. 8 divided by 70 gives us our percentage.
72.
70. 8 divides something.
It's 72.
Wait, what are you doing? 8 divided by 70?
So you're going to put in 8
Yeah.
in your calculator.
Right.
You're going to put in 8 divided by 70. Because it's this number. To get the percentage, we times by what?
1.
1 what?
100.
100. So it's 11 and 43% if we round it. Or 11.4%.
Okay.
That was a long one, but it was pretty easy.
Yeah.
All right, number 12 is the one. Asked you to show your work. Oh, we're in 11, sorry. 11. You place the following shapes in a bag. 5 circles, 3 triangles, 7 squares, and 5 rectangles. If you reach into the bag and grab one shape, what is the probability that it will not be a square?
So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Then 17 plus 3 is 20. So, and there's 7 squares. So 7.
And we have 20 as our goal, right?
Yeah.
And then how many are not squares?
7. Not.
Not.
So 13.
13. So 13 means 20th or, oops. 13 and 20. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Look at George. Did you get it, George? Okay. If you multiply me by 16, the product is 20. So some number times 16 equals 120. Oh, 128, not 120.
Yeah. Or I divide it.
You divide
128 divided by
5 to 16. What did you get? 8. You got 8. 8 is the answer. I'm gonna just try to know that you want to type.
I find myself trying to type this what did you
They finish the
page? Pull out. We can't review today, which I'm
what? Multiplier. Yeah, so it's from that. We are on number 3. Oh, Mia, do you have your packet?
There are 3 of them.
Pick out your packet, guys. That's gonna line up number 3.
Yeah. We're gonna get back in your sheet.
Now, are you on number 3?
Yeah.
Wait, this page? Page number 3 is what we're doing for homework. Okay, Isaiah, how do I start lining this first one up? Which box do I go to begin for
First, go to the third one.
the third one? This one?
Yeah.
And then
And do the rest of 3 boxes.
fill this up.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about 26? Where do I start that now?
With the 2 in a second.
Did you know that's the tens column?
No.
That is a tens column. So it's ones, tens, and the hundreds column.
Oh, okay.
All right. Then we
Wait,
have,
how about the other one?
it's the same. Ones, tens, hundreds, and then
Oh, okay.
tens, hundreds, thousands.
Okay. So put the other one in the one, put the 4.
In the tens column,
Oh, you can choose.
tens. Tens with the th. All right, and then we have a
8.
8. And then you could put a 0 here if you want. And what answer did you get?
27 and 500 and 5.
5 what? How do we say this number? 27 and 505. 100. No, not hundreds. That's this one.
1,000.
1,000.
So.
All right. Mia, you want to try this? You've been gone.
Sure.
All right. How would I line up? 516.
She's with the 5.
This is the tens.
Yeah.
You want me to put the 5 here?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Wait.
This is their decimal point.
Never mind. So. Because there's 6.
So what's this number? Say this number.
536.
560. So where should the 5 go up?
The ones.
This is the ones.
There's 5 of ones.
I know. You haven't been here. It's been a week.
Look at this.
So we're just lining them up so that the decimal is in the same spot. And when we add, they add up correctly. So if this is the ones, tens, and the hundreds, wait, let me move it over. There we go. This is the ones, tens, and hundreds, and we have 5 hundreds. Where should it go under? This box, or this
First one.
the first one. Then where do we put the zeros? In the middle are the tens.
Zeros. Yeah.
0 goes into the ones column.
Yeah. And then the 2 would go twice.
The tenths.
And then
And then the hundreds. We should put S. All right, now we have 29. Are we going to put the 2 in the hundreds, tens, or ones column? The 2.
there's 2 and the decimal voice matches.
So what's this number? Say it. 29. How many tens do we have? 2. So should I put a 2 in the tens column?
Yeah.
And then what's next?
9.
And then what goes in the tenths column?
6.
6. All right, let's add these up. We could put a 0 here if you need it.
Mhm.
So what's 1 plus 0? 6 plus 2?
8.
8. 0 plus 9? 6 plus 2? 8. And 5 plus 0 is 5. Now you have to say this answer. What is this answer?
589. Lord. Hundreds.
You got it. 81 hundredths. Okay. Does it make sense now, Mia?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, George. The next one says 274 hundredths plus 131 and 56 hundredths. Where do I put these numbers?
103. 0.274 plus 131.86 equals 131.834.
So this 0, does it go in the ones column, the tens, or the hundreds?
You can see it.
Thank you.
The third column.
That is the ones column. I'm going to write it here. 10, 100, tens, hundreds. So we started here. And then where do we put the 2? George, where am I going to put this 2? In the tens, hundreds, hundred. So I'm going to put it here.
No tenth.
That's good. 200 and then 70 follows. Now we have 131. Where do I put the 1? one goes into which column? This one, the first one, second one, or
Hundreds.
and then for vowels? Where do I put this 5?
Tens.
In tens. Thank you. And can you say your answer one more time?
131.834.
836, 12, yeah. This is a 3. 34 hundredths. All right.
Excuse me, Miss Rendon. Are we working on decimals for the rest of the year?
No. After decimals, we're gonna do something else.
What are we gonna do?
I didn't look yet, but I know we have to do multiplication today when we start, and then division after.
Oh, man.
All right. Does anyone need any of these shown? That was for homework. Any of the homework shown? Anyone? Let's look at. These should be your answers. Check your work. Make sure you have all these answers. We're going to start this practice, which is just helping you with lining up, because eventually that lining up when you're multiplying matters a bunch. Decimals involved. So we'll start with just regular multiplication, and then it'll get not harder, but more difficult. But when we have these 2 digits, we can use our calculus. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
So when we have the 1 digits, we're not here on this page yet, but when we have the 1 digits, we can do it on our own. We can count and figure out where to put the decimal. But when we have the 2 digits, we're going to use the calculator so we can practice inputting these numbers. Okay. Anyone still need this?
Yeah.
Do a couple of these with you, and then we're probably. So when we multiply, Nellie, what do I do first when we multiply by 2 digits on top and 1 on the bottom? What do I multiply? 3 times 3, which is 9, and then we did this one. Now we need to do what? Yeah. 3 times 1 is 3. And that is lunch.
Over months.